Hey, Carl Wessels here, CPA, and wanted to make you a video on how to make a quarterly payment to the IRS. Used to be that people made their quarterly payments to avoid late filing penalties. This is the exact same thing that you would have if you had withholdings on a W-2 paycheck. But since you're self-employed or a gig employee, you've got to go in and make those payments to the IRS yourself these days. And you can't mail in the coupons because the IRS is so backed up with trailers full of mail, and they'll tell you, just please go ahead and make the payments online. So how do you do that? Well, I'll share a screen here with you. And what you want to do, you can just go to the irs.gov website and find it, or just Google IRS payment and do a search for that. And we want to be on this direct pay page is where you want to line up heading. So direct pay with bank account. There is a way to do it with credit card. You can get to that clicking here if you want to. But make a payment. Other things, you don't want to hear what I have to say. Select the reason for payment. There's a variety of reasons that you want to make a payment. If you're on an installment plan, you can make those payments here. The tax return, say that you finally filed your tax return, but you couldn't pay, you can come back later here and make a payment. You want to get those tax returns filed, by October 15th due date, so that you can avoid the 25% failure to file penalty, and then just come back here and make the payment as soon as you can. That's for the tax return. But today we're talking about the estimated tax payment. 1040. Current year is the only option you have if you click the drop down box. You've chosen that. And you do need to verify with the IRS that you are who you are. God forbid somebody pay taxes on your benefit for you, on your behalf. So you've got to pick a year that you've filed a tax return for, okay, and verify the filing status that you had that year. Denise, I've been married 38 years, so married filing jointly. The next time you go into the website, you can skip past some of it. So if you got your cookies enabled, things like that. Okay, accept the policies, continue. All right, so on the next screen is where you put in the amount that you want to pay and the date that you want it to pay, take out of your account, your bank account number and routing number, checking statements, put in an email address. It's really quite all downhill from here. The next one is just a confirmation screen, and it's just as simple as making a payment on anywhere online. I would recommend doing the email, and that is how you make a payment with the IRS. It's easy as that. Keep track of your payments, make a list for it so we have that information when you do your tax return. Because if you don't keep track of these payments, we don't know. And so we're going to think that you owe more money than you really do when you do the tax return. So call us if you have any questions. Go to our website, carlwcpa.com. My cell phone number is 972-672-9968. And I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a comment and let us know what you think. Okay, thank you very much.